If your Nissan radio display shows code in, then open your car's dashboard compartment, find your booklet case. There you should find a card like this, which says car radio passport. And at the bottom, you should see a code, and this is the code that you would need to enter. So in order to enter the first digit, press on button number 1 and then keep pressing to change the number. So after pressing 5 times, you get to the number 5. And that's the first digit of my code. To enter the second digit, keep pressing the button number 2 until you get to the number that matches the code on your card. And then for the third digit, press button number 3. And then for the fourth digit, in a similar way, keep pressing button number 4. And then once you entered all the 4-digit code, then press the SIG track forward arrow to confirm the code. Then you should get the message saying code OK. And now you would be able to use your radio, for example, by pressing FM, AM, and then SIG track to start listening to your radio.